Hello guys, how are you? Today we are going to make garlic and coriander macaroni. First you have to boil 500-gram macaroni. You will have to add 2 TBSP oil and 1 TSP salt. Then you have to take oil and fry chopped garlic in it, red and green capsicum, chopped mint and coriander. Fry them. 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper. Now add boiled macaroni. Mix it well. Now we are decorating the plate with cucumber. Placing macaroni. Now it's ready, you can add toppings of your choice. Enjoy and meet you in next video. Bye.